Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to Celebration Assembly. And what a fantastic week we've had. I know year 1 and 2 really enjoyed the drama company on Monday with their fairy tales. And then that we've had skipping workshops. And I hear even the grown-ups joined in a bit, although they found it hard. And then I've been really proud because I've been watching how sensibly people have walked around the school, and reception, goodness me, Turtle and Seahorse, you are so good at walking in a line. And then another excitement was Open the Book. We managed to film the whole of Open the Book in one go because they'd practiced so hard. Well, that's what I've seen. Let's see what the teachers have seen.
Hello everyone and hello Lion class. Well done on another fantastic week, particularly your Open the Book Assembly. I was so blown away by your acting skills, and I know that Miss White and Mr Birkinshaw were as well. I've got 2 certificates to give out today, and it's to both the Graces. So I'm going to start with Grace L. You have such a lovely, smiley and happy personality, Grace L. You're so kind to your friends, and your positive attitude to learning and to life in general is such a good influence on the rest of our class. So thank you for bringing so much sunshine into each day at school. And Grace M, you come into school each day with so much energy and enthusiasm. It's lovely to see you working really hard and settling so well at the juniors. I love all your tricks on the climb around. Thank you very much for showing me them. And thank you for working so hard and being such a valued member of our class. Have a lovely weekend, everyone, and well done, Grace and Grace. Bye.
Hello Year 6, my certificates this week are for Martia because he's always so enthusiastic in maths and determined to finish all the challenges I set him, and for Angela, who impressed me so much with her persuasive sentence openers this week.
Hello Turtle class, this week one of the certificates goes to Avni for always being really polite and kind to everybody. Well done Avni. And the second one goes to Cara for trying really hard with her handwriting, especially when writing her name.
Hi Antelope class, well done for this week. I know it's been a bit of a chaotic week for us, but you've done really well. This week I'd like to give the certificates to Mihail and to Vincent. These two are working so well as a team, especially in maths. It's really lovely to see the support, the teamwork and the challenging of each other. So well done you two, and keep up the good work.
Good morning, Hedgehog class. I would like to give 2 certificates today. My first certificate I would like to give is to Max R. I've noticed you trying really hard to focus on your work, and it's meant that you've been able to complete it to a really good standard, so well done you. My second certificate is to Yusra. Yusra has done some fantastic adding this week, adding 3 numbers together by counting accurately and also taking 3 numbers away from each other. So well done Max R and well done Yusra.
Good morning everyone, and a special good morning to our class. This week the first certificate is going to Dylan for being really helpful and using his own initiative when tidying up and taking care of his environment and making our classroom really nice and tidy. So well done, Dylan. The next certificate is going to Ellie C. Well done, Ellie. You have been really working hard on your reading and you have moved up a level. So well done. Keep up the good work. And just remember, practice makes it perfect. So well done.
Hello McCall class, what a brilliant week we've had this week. We've had an intruder come into our classroom, we've even had a skipping workshop. What fun we've had. I hope you've had a really exciting week. So my first certificate this week is going to Gabriel. Gabriel, I have been so impressed with your attitude towards your maths this week, in particular the Roman numerals, which are quite a tricky concept. Gabriel, you have worked so hard and helped other children, so I'm really proud of you. Well done. And my second certificate goes to Radha. Radha, you have been so invested in our intruder mission this week, trying to work out who came into our classroom. You even drafted up a whole mind map of ideas of who that could be. Well done, and an amazing piece of writing you wrote yesterday as well. Bye McCall class, have a great weekend.
Hello Year 6, and it's been a good week with the skipping workshop. My certificates go to Danny, as he wrote an absolutely amazing in-depth prediction in his guided reading, and to Hattie, because she always asks questions and she's always trying to find out things and to improve her work. Thank you.
Hello boys and girls, I hope you've had a super week. This week I would like to give a certificate to Yeho. Yeho, you have been doing fantastic maths work and you've been working out which one is greater than and which one is less than, and really using your reasoning in your maths problems. So well done, Yeho. And the second person for this week is Millie. Millie, you have done beautiful work with your calligram poems, and I've been really impressed with the pictures and shapes that you've drawn with the space words that we've been using. So well done to you, Millie, as well. Have a lovely weekend, boys and girls.
Hi Tigers, you know we've been talking about making excellent mistakes and marvellous mistakes and getting things wrong and everything being all right. Well, you're going to laugh when I tell you how many times it's taken me to do this video today. This is attempt number 7. The first 4 I had a coughing fit, and the last few I've completely fluffed up my words, so let's hope this one is the right one. So we've had a really great game of bench ball today, and that was lovely to see everybody working so well as a team. And all week you have just been so kind to each other, so thank you so much for that. It's a real pleasure to be in the class with Tigers. So we've got 2 certificates today. The first one is for Tom, who's had a really tough week friendship wise, but has all through his difficulties been a really, really good friend, really calm, really loyal, really helpful, always kind. So really, really proud of you, Tom. So thank you for that. Well done. And the second certificate is another boy this time. It's for Sam, who has been working really hard at school and at home to work on his presentation, and he has mastered all sorts of things and his work has been transformed. So really well done, Sam, really well done, Tom, and really well done everybody. Thank you and have a lovely weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.
The certificates in Seahorse class this week go to Manor for her beautiful bear hunt picture, and to Arthur for trying really hard with his reading and writing.
Hello everybody. Well, Eagle class, it's felt like a really fun week in our class this week. We've had the uncertainty about who our intruder was, and we discovered it was Grumble Chops, and he really needed our help. And we've been doing work on Roman numerals, and we've been making messages for each other. But our certificates this week go to 2 people who have really applied themselves. So Jake, well done to you. You always give your best and do everything you can to stretch your brain. So thank you very much. That's a real example to us all. And Zoe, I really loved how you worked so hard on Roman numerals and everything you did to apply your brain and to make an incredible message for me to read. Well done.
Hello everyone. This week our certificates go to Unsu for fantastic writing using your finger spaces, using your phonics and spelling your keywords, so well done. And also to Esme. Esme, you have worked hard all week. You have shown us how beautifully you can sit on the carpet, how you can be helpful and kind, and also did some fantastic writing as well. So well done, and well done to everybody in Squirrel class. Have a nice weekend.
Good morning, Gazelle class. It was really hard to choose this week who to give the certificates to, but I have decided to give one to Andra, who up-leveled a letter, making it sound really impressive. You won't be executed, Andra. And my second certificate goes to Alex, who is trying to push himself much harder in maths and reading. Well done, Alex.
Hello guys, back again for the Sports Award. The 2 winners this week from the infants is Nils in Hedgehog class for really great ball skills, and from the juniors is going to be Zaki from year 5. Mrs. Kinnear said he's been doing really great in football, so well done both.
And now birthdays. And there's an interesting thing. Everybody who has a birthday, their age is an odd number. So James is 5, Hayan and Emma are 7, Max and Grace are 9, and Skulk is 11. So happy birthday, everybody.
Happy birthday!
Now, you may not remember, but last week I said we were going to start looking at attendance figures again. And we're so proud of your figures because they're really high and it's going to be very hard to win the award this term. Let's see where we've got to so far. So last week, Tiger came top with 99.6%. Lion and Owl both got the same with 99.3%, and then Turtle had 99%. So how does it add up overall? And impressively, Turtle, who are our youngest class, 99.5%, so they're the winners at the moment. Then Tiger close behind, 99.3%, and then Owl 98.3%. So keep on going, make sure you come in every day and let's see who wins the award.